What's up guys, it's your boy Oscar back here again with another video, and today we're going to be doing something new and something different. Today we're going to be taking a 3D print and giving it the chrome look and finish. Are we going to be able to do that? I think we are. You know, it's a new technique that I recently came about, and I got everything. It took a while with the thanks to Sandy, who gave a donation on my coffee to get the material for this particular build. I thank you very much, and I'm going to bring you that video right now, guys. So right now, let's go take a look at the materials that we're going to be using and the helmet that we're going to be chroming out, and let's see what we're going to be able to do. It's going to be quick and easy, and hopefully hopefully successful in the long run. So let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, so we're here at the Walmart now, but what we're going to do is see if we can go into the makeup section and find the supplies that I need. Never thought I'd ever go into the makeup section of a supermarket or a store to look for supplies that I need for prop building or 3D prints or anything. So you know, we're just gonna go inside, see what we can find, see if I can find anything, and see if somebody asks me something random like, can I help you find makeup? Alright guys, so I found a brush called Wet n Wild. It looks similar to what I've seen in a video in the post, so I think we're gonna get this. So far, nobody's asked me about this one, so we're just gonna get this and buy some cotton swabs. All right, so we got the Sky Organic. So I guess this is a lot better. 100% certified organic cotton, USP compliant, soft, absorbent, and hypoallergenic. So we're gonna get this one and the brush, so we're just gonna go home and see, maybe check out to see what else I can find here. Maybe I can use for a future project, I don't know, but this is what we're gonna get. We're gonna get this one right here, and yeah, so far I'm the only guy here and nobody's asked me anything. I guess it's kind of weird that a guy is actually buying some stuff. So security looking at me too. Yeah, security right there. They're probably like wondering, what is he buying? Why is he in the makeup section? Guys buy makeup too. Alright guys, so last minute I decided, I'm trying to vlog here guys, I'm trying to record. Alright guys, so I decided to buy some plastic weld because I'm working on a prop on the raffle prize, so I need some plastic weld for some of the parts. So I passed by, I had to get it. I was like, must have. I just finished the print. You guys probably saw it already on my Instagram. So gotta get on that build, so I can get the winner his prize. So we're just gonna head off now. We're just gonna pay for everything.
6 hours later.
Hey, alright guys, so we're finally back at my home, and in my little work area here, it's a little bit of a tattered mess. I've been doing a lot of work lately, working on a few helmets, some props and everything, but we're finally home. We got what we need. We have our little makeup brush, so we're gonna make myself look pretty later. What? Maybe. Don't ask for the impossible, right? So we're gonna do that. We're gonna take what we have here that was thankfully was a donation that we got previously from our good friend Sandy. You know, she donated money so we can get this nice graphite powder, nice quart. So this will cover a lot. So we're going to be using this is what we're going to be using. This is what we're going to be using to do our little chroming technique. This is the key thing that we're going to need to do our chroming technique for our props. So this can be done for 3D printed props as long as you get it nice and smooth. So that way when you do the process, it'll come out so nice and shiny that when you add this, it'll give that nice metallic look that we want. At least that's what I'm hoping. I haven't tried this yet, so it's the first time I'm gonna try this. I've never tried it before, so we're gonna be doing this together, guys. We're gonna do this together, you and me, and if I make a mistake, then you know it's not worth it. So, but let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the best, and let's see what we can come up with. All right. We have our helmet here, nicely primed, sanded, finished, all completed. Basically, all we have to do now is see if we can get this baby to look nice and chrome. And we all know that getting things to look chrome and shiny is almost near impossible with paint. So I came across this little video I saw on Facebook. I think it was also on YouTube. But I wanted to share it with you guys, also the guys who are subscribed to my channel, and show you to see if this technique really works. I have not tried it yet. I have not done any testing. So basically, this right here is the test. So we're gonna find out if we can get this Spider-Man helmet to look metallic chrome. So basically what we're going to need here is we're going to be needing this right here, high gloss white. So this is what the person that I saw in the video recommended. Also some fine graphite powder. If you guys don't know what fine graphite powder is, it's basically almost that same stuff that you would find in a lead pencil. And also some organic cotton round little swabs, so that way we can spread the powder on nice and evenly around the area. And of course this, I took this from, I bought this at the local Walmart in the makeup department. Apparently, it's the only one I could find. Apparently it's pink on it. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do here. It was kind of weird buying this. I'm a guy walking into the makeup section and buying this. I'm sure they see a lot of guys buying this, but not for the purpose that I was gonna use it for. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna completely coat this in a few layers of high gloss white and let it dry and sit for a while, and then get it ready for the powder, guys. This is actually a box. I actually got this from Amazon. One of my subscribers actually donated to get this. Her name is Sandy, so thank you, Sandy, for this. A little bit of a shout out there for you. Thank you for donating to get this pure graphite powder, so we can use it for this video. And I'm looking forward to doing this, and I can't wait to see how it looks, because right now I don't even know how it's gonna look, and you guys don't know either, but we don't know if it's gonna work. So let's see little by little. First, we're gonna go along with the paint. Alright guys, first things first, we're going to go with some high gloss 2x Rustoleum paint. This is the heart and soul of the process. Without this, you might not get that nice high gloss that we're aiming for. So we're going to go about 3 to 4 coats of this. Make sure you get a nice even coating around this helmet or any prop that you're going to be working on to try out this technique.
The next day.
Then onto that graphite powder, guys.
The next day.
Alright guys, now that we've done with that adventure of buying these and putting the paint on here, I had to do a little bit of sanding because for some odd reason the paint was coming out in clumps and spatters, and I didn't really like it, and there was no way to get it, you know, keep going, so I had to sand a little bit and then add more coats. So far we have about 3 separate layers of coating of the high gloss white from Rustoleum. And I gotta say, it came out like really nice and shiny, guys. It came out, you know, pretty nice, and I think I like it though. The next step is to actually brush on with our little makeup brush a little bit of our graphite powder, and then take our little spongy little discs here, and you know, just rub it up along until we can get a nice chrome look on it. I swear. Standing like this at the table, you know, with my butt up in the back here, kind of feels weird, but I wanted to get a close-up of the helmet and everything, so you guys can actually see how nice it looks right now. It actually looks pretty well, and got a nice even shine and coating to it. So right now what we're just gonna do is take our makeup brush right here. We're gonna take it out, and well, that's not the brush. Alright, we're gonna take our makeup brush. If I can get it out of here. I don't know how you girls can do it. Alright, so we're gonna put that here. And what we're gonna do is take our brush right here. It looks really nice right now, but it's not gonna look like this for long. And then we're just gonna, you know, dip it in here and then brush it along like little dabs here. And take our brush, or I mean our little cotton things. I don't know, is it this thick? Yeah, it's this thick. Looks like it's got like several little things. And then we're just gonna buff it out. We're gonna just buff it. I'm gonna make myself look all nice and pretty. Gonna make stuff look nice and pretty. Enough about that. We're just gonna go straight into this. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is take our graphite powder right here. We're just gonna dab it in there and then just lightly cover it over the white. So we're just gonna we're gonna dab it in there. We're gonna just dab it in there. Just dab it in. Just gonna dab it in. Well, alright guys, so here we have it, our finally fully finished chromed out Spider-Man helmet. And I gotta say, it came out more like metal than I even expected. I thought it would come out looking a little bit gray, maybe a little silverish, but after some buffing on this thing, it just looks so much like metal. I just can't even believe it. I would recommend this to you guys if you ever want to make that chrome effect on any of your masks or helmets or swords. This technique works. Alright guys, so honestly I gotta say this thing came out so awesome. I can't believe how good this looks. You know, with the graphite powder I thought it would look more black during the whole process, but as I brushed on it and then buffed it into the paint, it just came out so nice. I'm thinking about eventually trying it with some chrome paint. I don't know if that will work, but the recommended thing is basically high gloss white, which we basically use for this. After like about a day or two, it took a while because I did really need the paint to set as well as possible because I did use a lot of coats. And the more coats you use, the more it takes for it to dry. So I kind of, honestly, it just looks so nice. And the way that the graphite powder got into the crevices, I thought I would literally have to paint the black into these lines just to get that added detail. And just the way that it looks nice and shiny, you guys can tell from my light over here that you can see how nice and shiny that it actually stayed. It actually reflects onto my computer. It almost looks like a mirror. So this technique, I gotta say, I fully recommend it for your 3D props or your normal props, as long as you use that nice high gloss paint, as well as make sure you sand and finish this helmet so nice and smooth that there are no imperfections. The less imperfections that you guys have, the better it is, and it'll look, it's like so nice and shiny. And I just gotta say, I'm just completely blown away. I don't know what to say about this because I am completely shocked, because I didn't expect it to come out looking this way, because when I saw the video on Facebook, it looked more black than anything. Like, it looked like a faded metallic black brushed metal type of thing. To see it in this type of light that you guys can actually see, looks basically like metal, like nice and chromed. So I'm just so like, I want to try this baby. I just want to try it on. I want to try it. Oh yeah. Look, oh. Imagine this, guys, with the eyes. Imagine it with the eyes, the lenses and everything. I think it'll look even better with it on. And just kidding, guys. So yeah, this I fully recommend. I stand behind this technique. It looks, guys, you guys can see it for yourself. Look at this. It just glistens. It just glistens. It's sexy. It's sexy smooth and shiny, and I love the chrome effect, guys. This is going to be now added to my cosplay bag, and I hope that you guys are going to add this to your cosplay bag, because now that you know that I did this and I succeeded where I thought I might not be able to, now you guys don't have to worry about not knowing if it's possible to do this. Go to Walmart, get yourself some high gloss paint, and go on Amazon and get your graphite powder. I will leave all that information in a link in the description down below, where you can find everything, the cost of everything, and very affordable. The graphite powder alone only costs about $20 for that big of a container. A quart can go a long way, guys. Imagine, because you're just dabbing on the powder a little bit and then buffing it out, and I'm just so blown away. I'm just so blown away about how this thing came out. And also, guys, so you guys know, if you want to know how I actually smoothed out the whole helmet, I do have a video. I'll put a card right up here, so that way you can go into the video of the 3D printed Spider-Man helmet that I made for the Iron Spider from Infinity War, so that way you guys can see how I smoothed it all out, if you are basically curious on how I did that process. Alright guys, so I hope you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.